Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial on sales order processing in Business Central. In this video, we'll walk through the key steps and features to help you manage your sales orders efficiently. Let's start by understanding what a sales order is. In Business Central, a sales order is a document that represents a commitment from a customer to purchase goods or services. It's an essential part of sales cycle, and properly managing it ensures smooth order fulfillment. To create a sales order, navigate to sales order page. You can do this by searching for the sales orders in the search bar. Once you're on the sales order page, click on new to create a new order. Here you will enter the customer details. You can select a customer from the list or create a new one. Once selected, Business Central automatically fills the relevant information like address, payment terms. Alright. Next, you will add items to the sales order. You can either search for an item by name, item number, or if you prefer, you can use a barcode scanning feature. The item's description, quantity, and price will auto-populate. In this case, we'll select Athens desk. Let's say there's a 2 pieces of Athens desks that a customer wants to order, and we want to ship it from our main location. Alright, so the amount and the total populates automatically once you enter the sales lines. If you want to enter more items, you can do this by simply clicking on the next row and basically adding a new item. In this case, you also want to send this piece out, ship this piece out of location code main. Alright, once you enter the lines, once you take a look at the total numbers, we'll take a quick peek at the invoicing details, shipping address. It's basically shipping to the default address, and for this customer we do not have any prepayment requirements. So once everything looks good, this is where you would basically release the order, and based on the workflow of your organization, if you have a warehousing facility that basically picks the items and ships out the items, they would basically go ahead and start working on their items. Other than that, once that's done, you can go ahead and either ship invoice and ship an invoice. In this case, I'll select ship an invoice, and basically what it does, it posts the numbers to the customer ledger, right? And it has created an invoice. We'll take a look at the invoice, and now we have the posted sales invoice available. Alright, so this was the process where you basically create a sales order for the item.